Joining in, giving us your view on all those sectors that we discussed, from banks to FMCG to the pharma pack as well. Wishing you a good rest of the day. And in fact, if we don't speak in 2024, looking forward to chatting with you in 2025 as well. But it's that time of the day where we have Nimesh who's joining in on D Street Chatter to help us out with what he's picking up. Well, Nimesh, another down day. But it's only up and away for you from here on. Happy birthday, Nimesh. Wishing you all the best. You know, it's been great working with you. Absolutely. And I'll tell you what, more than me, all the viewers love it because you're going to give them some insights which no one else can give them.
I mean, that's the part of the job, right? You do what you do best in terms of choosing the management. I do best in terms of getting the chatter. So again, thank you very much for the wishes, Nigel. Thank you everybody in the team as well. From a market perspective, Nigel, you know, I think it's another day of consolidation, but the flow seems to be a bit tepid today. So the activity seems to be on a lower side in today's market. And having said that, the flows are slightly towards the sell side today. That's the overall indication. Okay. Having said that, there is a bit of buying in financials and consumer discretionary from the larger institutions. So that's the overall flow that I can pick up. But the good part is that the broader market seems to be outperforming on a daily basis. Even today, it's recovered from the lows and it's in the green now. I guess one reason for that outperformance is the fact that the inflows in the domestic mutual funds seems to be largely in the mid and small cap funds, right? And that explains that in the last 1 month, the mid and small cap have relatively outperformed. And it looks like that outperformance may just continue back on the domestic flows. From a technical point of view, I think 24,300, 24,350 is an important level on the downside to watch out from a support point of view. So need to see whether we support on those levels. But broadly, I guess today is a day when the flows are a bit tepid. But again, the mid-cap and small-cap outperformance continue.
Well, that's right. And that's what makes portfolios as well feel good. And, you know, Nimesh, as you were doing that piece with regard to telling us, the markets actually have recovered from the lows of the day. So that's good news. But let's focus on individual stocks. What are you picking up?
So, you know, as I said, you know, there is a lot of action in the broader market stocks. So most of the chatter today is part of the broader market stocks. The first name is Kansai and Narrow. While the stock is down in today's trade, down 4%. But in general, the stock has been consolidating in a narrow range. But now I understand there could be a large block deal in Kansai very soon. The shareholding is quite tight, right? The promoter owns 75, and there are a few institutions who own 6-7%. So looks like a large block is coming in Kansai and Arulai. The second name is SPML Infra. We don't normally talk about that stock, but that's been buzzing on good volumes as well. I understand there is some HN activity as well. And the buzz is that the company is likely to bag a large order very soon. Remember what happened to Carnex Micro as well. A small company bagged a very large order and we saw a big reaction. I guess similar kind of large order can expect in SPML Infra as well. So that's the second name. The third stock is Shivamoto. Again, a small stock. We don't talk too much, but big volumes on that name. The stock is up 15% last when I checked. Again, maybe the reaction is in anticipation of a fundraising via preferential issue very soon in Shivamoto. And the last is CG Power. You know, at record levels, stock has seen a bit of a consolidation in the last few months, but now I understand the company is very close to raising funds via QIP, and large part of the fund will be used for some organic opportunities. That's the buzz on CG Power.
Okay, well, Nimesh, thank you very much for that. So, two new names, SPML